Oof, oof, oof. Ah, the concoction is actually concussion. This kind English be that one.
Let's cook concussion. Watch this video. This is what they really call concussion. This is what they call concussion oil rice. Like, have you seen this style of cooking concussion oil rice before? First of all, I just first put my wash rice inside hot water with the boil ready. Then I add my maggi. This oil rice take me back to my childhood. This oil rice take me back to my childhood because I remember then still living in Lagos when we no go get anything for house. My mom could just bring this thing out. I call her my mom because she practically raised me, but she's my aunt. She would just bring everything out. Okay, let's just cook one pot. See, all this small lion that you are seeing, it's not meat water, it's fish water. Like, you know, when you go feel like, okay, now I boil fish now, instead of to throw the water, you keep on the day I did fish pie, I boiled my fish, I not throw away the fish water, and so I take carry the fish water, I tie am for inside freezer, keep on. That is why it's entering into this rice today. So you get, follow me. You know why I call this the concoction. And this oil, so this oil, if you look the plate well, you will see that this oil is not original pure oil. This oil is I got this oil from my black soup, banga. Like, watch my video, scroll down, you will see where I cooked black soup. So I extracted this oil from my banga that I have already put my black soup condiments, or what they call them. What I already put my black soup spices. Then I blended onions and fresh pepper. That's it. I turned everything inside, pour the oil and put crayfish, put maggi, put salt. I just cover it. I put large vegetables because I have a large family. You get, if you don't get it, forget about it.
How?
So I dey cook large pot. Then these beans don reach 2 3 months for inside my freezer. I bring these beans out again and put it inside. You see the reason why I say you shouldn't cook concoction until you watch this video. Then I put the beans, I test it to taste so that let me know what I'm going to be adjusting or not. Then come our fish protein. Then I put the fish. This is called laziness concoction style. You see all those small things, small nylon you just have in your freezer sitting there, and you are thinking of what can I do with this? What can I cook with this? Bring them come outside. Just bring them come outside and cook this concoction rice. You will love it. See, this rice bango, forget that everything is just going in like this. Trust me when I say this rice is sweet, is yummy. It's sweet. So as I was saying, Jerry, we'll just bring everything out. Then say fish no fish might not even be there, sef. Or maybe we'll just buy one fish, then cut them into so many places. You get, they'll put oil for fire. That is not even fresh pepper, sef. Then we used to have ground pepper because ground pepper need a miss for our house. You see, we as the girls of that house, that time, we see shaggy ground pepper need a miss for our house because ground pepper, if you do bad, ground pepper will enter your eye and your downside. You get. So ground pepper need a dry for our house then in Lagos. Then we'll just bring everything out and just cook everything one pot. That's it. Our concoction oil rice will just be ready, and all of us will just be happy. Yes. So I cover my rice after I put everything together, and then my rice corn done. Now my rice is ready. This rice is actually giving. It is fine. The beauty of the rice. Who go believe say this? I use black soup oil to cook this rice. That part we burn, I throw am for my mouth and I throw it in my mouth. See, you will not believe if I didn't tell you that this is black soup.
This rice fine,
I
be no
use
fine.
black soup oil to cook
It
this rice,
enter
and
your
it's
eye.
giving
I be in the enter your eye.
Thank
Let me know in
you
the
for
comment
watching.
section.
See you on my
Ooh.
next video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.
Best eating while it's still very hot. You get. This is what they call concoction. Ooh. 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 Ah. Oh. This is very sweet. Concoction. The concoction is actually concoction. The concoction is actually concoction. This kind English be that one. Oof.